morning, 8th class students. Open your notes. We discussed in previous class about sets, 6th chapter. We have learned in 7th class and 6th class also. Sets, about sets. What is a set? Once again I am repeating. Set, collection of set is nothing but collection of well-defined objects. And the objects are called elements. Objects of the set are called elements. And how to write the sets? Writing the elements with commas and enclosed with a set and enclosed with a curly bracket. So this is the way of writing set. Generally sets are expressed with capital A, capital letters A, B, C, D like that. And we can express the sets in two forms. One is in roster form, the other is set builder form. In roster form, we know the elements, we know the objects. But in set builder form, we write the rule of the elements. What is the rule here? These are the vowels of English alphabet. So we write the rule of the objects in roster form. And afterwards, the symbol, this is belongs and this is not belongs. A belongs to set B. And suppose there is B. B is not belongs to the set B. So we use this. So belongs, not belongs. And later, next what we learn, types of sets. Types of sets we learn. First, empty set. Empty set, it is in the name only, empty. Empty set. Empty set means a set which contains no elements. A set contains no elements. Suppose we can't find odd numbers in even numbers. The set of even numbers. It is an even number. We cannot get odd. And in odd numbers, we cannot get even numbers. So these are the examples. We can't find a whole number integer between 1 and 2. There are numbers but no integers, no whole numbers. 1 and 2. So we get other numbers with decimals. 1.1, 1.2, 1.25, 1.567 like that. We can get rational numbers but we can't get integers. We can't get means that is empty. Empty set symbol this is. Next, second one, singleton set. Singleton set. Singleton set means a set contains only one element. The capital of Telangana, Hyderabad. But there is a capital of Delhi, capital of India. Capital of India is Delhi, only one capital. And Kashmir, we have two. That is not singleton. So if a set contains only one element, it is called a singleton set. Example, 2 is an even prime. 2 is an even prime. You don't write only one element without bracket. We can't say this is not a set, but we say this is a set containing 2 as an element. 2 is an element. Always we have to enclose the elements with the curly bracket. Then only it becomes a set. Next, third, given in the book, finite set infinite set, finite set, infinite set, infinite set. Finite set, it is in the name only. It has a countable elements. It has a countable elements. We can count starting and ending. We get starting number, and also it has a ending. Ending is there. Starting is there, and also ending is there. In this finite, days of the week 7, months of the year 12. The number of students in your class, we say 30. So starting is there, ending is there. But whereas in infinite set, starting is there, but there is no ending, no cardinal number. It has no cardinal number. Cardinal number. We represent it has a cardinal number. Cardinal number. Days of the week. Generally, we represent set A contains 7 days. Suppose in a week there are 7 days. In a month there are 7 days. So we don't take only number 30 days. In a year 365 or 366 for leap year. Like this we have for finite set we have some cardinal number. But whereas in infinite set we don't have cardinal number. Like that we learn some definitions of sets. See, today I want to start this 6th exercise and some all oral problems. You open textbook and see 6A, page number 93. Page 93. All oral. State which are the following states are finite and which are infinite. Number 1, first number 1. I will read question and answer. The men who have orbited the earth. Who have orbited the earth. So see, we know the men who orbited our earth. We know the members, so it is finite. Second question, the men who have landed on the moon. We know the men who landed on the moon, finite. Third, the integers between -5 and 5 plus 5. We have some integers, these integers. What they are, we can count -5 between -4, -3, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the integers between -5 and 5. We can count, we can write. Starting is there, ending is also there. So we say this is finite. Fourth, x is such that x equal to 2y and y belongs to w. 4 numbers. So it has no ending. Starting is there, but we don't have ending. Whole numbers, infinite number of whole numbers. Beginning is 0, and ending is there is no ending. So it is, we say infinite infinite. Infinite because beginning is there 0, 0, 1, 2, W belongs 3 dashes, no ending. That's why it is infinite. Next question, fifth, the infants in your class. Fifth, infants in your class means we can count infant. We can count the children. Infants means small children. But we can count sometimes we don't find infants small, and also it is finite. If there are means we can find. Sixth one, exercise between 4 and 5. Exercise between 4 and 5. So we cannot find. There are so many numbers, infinite numbers. Infinite between 4 and 5. There are infinite numbers 4.1, 4.2, or 4.1111, 4.1 to 100 like that. See, we can write infinite numbers. So this is infinite. Sixth question. Seventh question. The set of atoms in the earth. We cannot find. Seventh one. Atoms on the earth. There are so many infinite. Infinite atoms on the earth. The set of multiples of 10. The set of multiples we can start with 10, 20, 30, but there is no ending. So it is infinite. Infinite set. Ninth, the set of points on a line segment. We can't count the points on the line. Infinite points are there, so we cannot find. This also infinite. Infinite. We cannot find. There are so many points. Tenth one, the set of grains of sand in a small bottle. Yes, we can, in a small bottle we can count the particles. In a particle we can find. So the 10th one is finite. We can find, but it will take time, but we can count. It will take time to count all the small granules in the bottle. So like this, we have to say whether it is a finite or infinite. Clear? There is easy to understand. Finite, we can count the elements. Such sets are called finite. It has both starting and ending. In finite set, we can count. We can start the counting, and also we can stop the counting. Beginning is there, ending is there in finite. But whereas in infinite, beginning is there, but there is no ending. You cannot count, no ending. So many numbers are there. Infinite. Right. Read the problems and again write. Which of the following are singleton sets? This one second. Singleton set means we have only one element. Singleton set. About singleton set now. Singleton set. Capital of India. We have one capital only, Delhi. Mountain peaks more than 8,000 of height. 8,000 of height, maybe more. Maybe more. Maybe more. So it is the second is not a singleton set. Third one, cubes with 8 faces. Yes, we get one. Second one, third one, 5x minus 3, 5x minus 3 equal to 7. We have only one value for x. 5x is equal to 10. 5x is equal to 10. X is equal to 10 by 5. That is 2. X equal to 2. It has only one solution, so it is a singleton set. Third one. Fourth one, x squared is equal to 25. No. X value we get plus or minus 5. Square root of 25, that is plus or minus 5. So it has two values. X has two values. That's why it is not a singleton set. Okay. Third one, state which of the following are empty sets. By reading the statement, you can say whether it is empty or not. Empty means no elements in it. Or empty set. It is in the name only. We can easily find. If there are no elements, it is an element. It is an empty set. There are some elements means not empty set. First one, odd numbers divisible by 2. No, you can't find. Odd numbers divisible by 2. We can't find. Divisible by 2. All odd numbers when we divide by 2 leaves the remainder 1. That's why we can't find. It is empty set. So it is empty set symbol. Second one, prime numbers which are even. Yes, we have one 2 prime number. It is not a 2 is an even prime. So it is not an empty set. It is not empty set. Cancel. It is not an empty set. Third one, cubes with 8 faces. Yes, we get 8 faces of cubes. So it is not cubes. We can't find with 6 faces only. How 8 faces? There are only in cube 6, 4 walls, base, roof. A cube has only 6. So it is not empty set. Next, fourth. Because a cube has only 6. How 6? 4 walls, base, roof. Next, the whole numbers between the whole numbers less than x plus 3 less than 3. So plus 3 will go that side as minus. We get x is less than 0. We can't get less than 0 means all negative numbers. So this is empty set. Fourth. And fifth, days with 144 minutes. See how many minutes are there? 24 hours. 24 hours. 24 hours into 60. So 0, 6 4 are 24, 12 plus 2 40. all days have this much minutes, but days with so we get all days, so it is not empty. Not empty means cancel like this. Because there are no days without minutes. So like this, you do other problems. Third, 1, 2, 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. Second, third one. 1, okay. Empty. What is third? Keeps with the empty set. We can't find the empty. This is empty one, third, and this 4. 1, 3, and 4. Next one, like that, one more. State the cardinal number of the following sets. I want to do this only 4. Cardinal number, he is asking only cardinal number. Planets of our solar system. How many planets are there? 9. So you write 9. We have cardinal number 6. Now he will say planets of our solar system. He is writing only 8 in answer. Now some are saying 1 is not there. So we write there n of is there given name p given n of p. 9 planets are write 8. Some are saying 8 only. Consonants of the English alphabet N of C. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. Out of this, A, E, I, O, U are vowels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 21 consonants. This is 21. Next question. Check this cycle. Letters in the word maiden. Maiden, how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 letters. So what is this question? K given. N of K, 4. 4 letters are there. And the repeated numbers don't count. 21. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. X plus 3 equal to 0. X plus 3 equal to 0, where x belongs to n. We can't find 4. 0. Yes. So this is question number 4. Given here symbol A, 0, and the set of numbers whose square is 16. The set of numbers whose square is 16. So it is only 1, 4 square, 1 only. Minus 4 also 2. So this is B. N of B 2. Why 2? 4 squared 16 and minus 4 squared also 16. There are 2 cardinal numbers, 4 and minus 2. X is a prime less than 30. Prime numbers less than 30. Count less than 30 prime numbers. Symbol the name of the event M. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 prime numbers. Yes, 10. So you write n of m 10. Simply you write the prime numbers and count. The number only we say cardinal number, cardinal number. So like that, see other system of. Yes, thank you. Please do practice. Without practice, you can't learn. First, listen what I am saying, and next, see. Then note down.